Loading and unloading your truck bed takes a lot of time and energy, but with the Bedslide 1000 CL, you can bring your truck bed to you. This Bedslide is a great addition for your contractor truck, overlanding rig, or even getting that load from the home goods store. When using a bed cover, reaching your cargo can be a pain, but with the Bedslide you can pull items to you without opening the cover. It has a non-skid surface to keep boxes or bags from shifting and sliding around, and that keeps your items safe. Around the edges of the Bedslide there are T-slot rails to mount accessories to when on the road or trail. These also act as great points for tie downs to keep your heavy cargo secure. This Bedslide is equipped with the Trail Racks kit to give higher sidewalls for even more security and extra tie down points. This thing is great and it's easy to use. You just grab the handle, pull the knob, and pull the Bedslide out like it's a drawer. It's that simple. There are multiple stopping points on the track, so you have options depending on your needs at the time. This model on our F-150 can hold a massive 1,000 pounds when evenly distributed, and it's durable. It's made from heavy-duty materials and designed to withstand harsh weather. And it's made in the USA. For this version of the Bedslide, you will actually need to drill into the bed of your truck. If you're interested in purchasing the Bedslide 1000 CL or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.